If you run a Squarespace website and want a video banner carousel, Squarespace doesn't have one built in. In this video, Squarespell shows you how to set it up in under 2 minutes. And one thing worth knowing, you can also control the transition speed directly in the code. And here's how to do it. Open your Squarespace editor, click Add Section, and select Section. Go to the Background tab, select Video, and either upload your MP4 or paste in a YouTube or Vimeo link. Then add your headline text and a button on top. That's your first slide done. Now, however many videos you want in the carousel, just duplicate that section and replace the background video on each one. That's all it takes to build out your slides. Now open the plugin file that came with your purchase and copy the code. Go to your Squarespace dashboard, open custom code and paste it into the footer field. Find your section ID for each banner and paste them into the section _ID sArray where it says your dash section dash ID. Want to add more videos? Just copy that line and paste it in for each additional one. You can also control how fast the slides rotate by changing the interval value in the code. Higher is faster, lower is slower. Hit save, and that's it. In under 2 minutes, you have a fully looping video banner carousel on your Squarespace site. Link to the plugin is in the description. See you in the next one.